Okay, so it's in good standing. If the Pi was to fail, it'll turn the fans on full blast, and right there when the red light comes on. Now this, let's see where we're at here. Beginning of that one right there. So this will be hooked up to my pulse width modulation pin, which pulses thousands of times a second. Now, if I pull that up, wait a couple seconds, boom, and then it goes into failure. So basically, it's pulsing very, very fast, keeps it in good, and then if it was to fail, boom. Because if I just touch it really quick, alright, and then we hold it on there, and it'll be pulsing a whole bunch, and then if it stops, boom. And it's that capacitor right there, that's the actual battery that keeps it going for a moment. It discharges through that resistor right there and keeps these transistors running. And then there's a JFET in here that if the JFET's energized, it opens the connection. Whenever it does that, it causes another connection to close. Or actually, no, wait, I'm sorry. We keep the JFET energized from the pulsing. So boom, 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 boom. The JFET stays energized, which means the connection's always open. Now, if the JFET gets disenergized, it closes the connection, flows through a transistor, which then in turn allows me to control a much larger source, which is the relay right there. So the relay's 5 volts, but we're only pulsing with 3 volts here. So we lift, click, boom. Now this relay is never energized until the red light comes on. When the red light comes on is whenever we're in fault. So boom, everything's good. So now we're not killing the relay or anything, and then it faults. Bam. Boom. So that's what I'm working on.